Hey everyone, it's me again. So today we are doing another build with the usual group, the Diecast Mafia, and Dizok chose Gaslands builds. So I had to Google this and I found out that it's post-apocalyptic cars similar to Mad Max. So I chose to go with this Siku casting. It's made in Germany in 1989 and it's a VW Passat Mark III variant. So that means it's the estate version. It has been a police car, a lot of parts missing, like the antenna, the warning lights, and even the tailgate. And I got this for free on a market. And I thought it would make a nice post-apocalyptic banger. So the suspension is actually the same as on the very old Siku cars. Now the interior is a nice one. I will use this again on another car in the future. And this is the glass, so I will probably using only the lights of it. The dashboard is a separate piece, and actually this reminded me of something because the Siku Passat Mark I that was made in 1975 has the exact same dashboard, and I currently have one for restoration over here, actually for quite a long time now. I have to get to it now in the future again, and yeah, so kind of interesting, I think. So here we got it all apart, and those are the original wheels. I think they don't suit it very well, and for post-apocalyptic cars, I think those Hot Wheels off-road tires are really nice. So I will create a nice suspension for this one, and unfortunately I lost a lot of the video material on this video. So here you can see now I've worked on the car with the Dremel, I've made some bullet holes at the side, all kinds of stuff. So the interior is made out of some styrene, and the stuff in the back that I think it looks a little bit like rocket launchers, and this is just the capsules where the ink is in that you put into the pen. And yeah, this is one of the nice things that going to school you always get those capsules every couple days because you have to write a lot. Well, that's actually not nice, but I have to do it, so yeah. Anyway, so I'm gluing this in there, and yeah, I'm just putting this together. As I said, the spring method for the wheels is, I actually didn't develop it myself, but I got the idea from a bare metal HW video, and if this is interesting for you, you can look it up. It's made out of paper clips, and now I'm just closing the car with some super glue and baking powder. And yeah, this is it. I'm very sorry, but I've lost a lot of the footage, so this is what it is. So let's get it up onto the rotisserie. So there you can see it's looking not too bad, I think, or it's looking very bad actually. But yeah, this is the point on a post-apocalyptic vehicle. I've put a brown wash onto it and made a lot of scratches with the Dremel. And yeah, remember to check out the other channels, which are Matchbox Mark, 2 AHD Cut, and Opa's Diecast Rex and Restoration. And yeah, that was something different for a little change. Not what I usually do, but I kinda enjoyed it. And yeah, in the future there will be coming some more videos. Was a little lazy, but I got really many cool projects for you coming up now. So please subscribe if you like it, and see you next time.